Hello, I'm Ekta from the Wildcat Creative Studio. Today I'm going to share this exciting design of an adjustable wall bracket. We all have boundaries around our houses or terrace walls on which we can hang planters using these brackets. This gives us a lot of extra hanging space for our plants, and as passionate gardeners, any extra hanging space is most welcome. So how do we use these brackets? We just have to insert the screw from below and tighten the nut on the top. The two L brackets can be moved closer or away based on the width of the wall. We provide a white sleeve to cover the bracket. One can easily pull the sleeve over the bracket and then add the S hook. We can hang any planter on this hook. But today we are going to show 3 hanging options from the Wildcat. The first is a pot ring that you can buy online from our website. This has a loop and any pot can be slipped into it and hung on this bracket. This pot ring is a very easy, convenient and a cheap option to hang any of your already available pots. The second option is our 6-inch pots. These also have a loop and can be easily hung on the S-shape hook on the bracket. In the third option, we are going to see our 10-inch, 20-inch and 30-inch hangers. These hangers have jute ropes for support. So with the help of these ropes, we can hang them on the S-shape hooks. Please do comment if you liked this innovation. Thank you.